Miss Julie from the therapy room. I have some activities for us to do this week that are related to Christmas. This is how Christmas is decorated in my room. I have this scene of like a winter scene because Christmas occurs in winter, the season of winter. And then I have a little tree that's right here that has lights on it. Do you have a tree at your house? Some of us might, and some of us might not. But today we're going to be doing something cool. We're going to be making a tree out of paper. And also we're going to be talking about handwriting different letters. And the letters that I picked, they have some words that start with that letter that have, they're related to Christmas. So we'll talk about that too, okay? All right, so first I'm going to go over the tree. Just like the tree was right there. Okay, so look how, this is what your paper will look like. See how right now it's the shape of a rectangle because it has two long sides and two short sides? But we're going to cut it on the lines up to the top, okay? And turn it into a different shape. Do you know what shape it will be once we cut on the line? We'll see, okay? So you're going to get your scissors. Remember, we put our fingers in the big hole because there's more fingers. You want to fit 2 or 3 fingers in the big hole, and your thumb goes in the little hole because it's only one. All right, so here we go. We're going to open shut on the line. Make sure you're looking at the line. And you're cutting on the line up to the top. All right, one side is done. Then you're going to move your hand. You remember you're holding with your thumb up. There's 2 thumbs up as you're cutting. One hand is cutting with my thumb up, and my other hand is holding with my thumb on top of the paper. My thumb up. All right, here I go, cutting the next line. Wow, I did it. So what shape is it now? Yes, just like a Christmas tree. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take a marker or crayon of different colors, and you're going to make circles on your Christmas tree. Make sure when you're making your circle, you're going the whole way around and then stopping. Not just going around and around and around and around. Just one time around and stop. Okay? See this tree? This tree is finished because at the top, you're going to glue what shape? A star. And the stars don't go on the bottom of the tree or the middle of the tree. They go at the top. Okay? All right, so that's your tree. And it's a special kind of tree because it's a Christmas tree. So some people celebrate Christmas and put up a tree. So Christmas starts with the word, or starts with the letter C. C for Christmas, okay? So we're going to do some handwriting, and we're going to work on writing a C. So for a C, sometimes we talk about the wooden pieces. So it only takes one big curved piece to make a C. And you put it right on top. So when you're writing, you're going to start at the top and make a big curve down to the bottom, okay? All right, the next letter we're going to talk about 4 letters, is the letter O. O is at the beginning of the word ornament, which is something you put on a tree. And what else starts with O that has to do with Christmas? Occasion is like an event, and Christmas is a special event. Sometimes you do different things during the season. And some people celebrate other occasions during winter season, like Hanukkah or Kwanzaa. There's a lot of different holidays. So for the letter O, you're going to take 2 big curves and you're going to put them together. So if I'm practicing writing, I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to do a big curve down, and then I'm going to do another big curve back up to the top to make an O. And O is also for, what's that? Doesn't really have to do with Christmas, but well. Okay. The next letter we're going to do is G. G is at the beginning of the word gifts, and sometimes you get gifts during the Christmas season. All right, so for G, you're going to need 1 big curve, whoopsie, and 2 little curves. Let me get my 2 little lines, sorry, not curves. So you're going to put 1 little line there, and then you're going to put 1 little line across at the top, okay? Perfect. Last letter is the Q, which doesn't really start with any Christmas words, but it takes 2 big curves and a little line. So it starts with an O, the 2 big curves, and then you just add a little line that's a sliding line.